Uh, okay, hi, and welcome back. And let's take a look at a few more Excel function today. Uh, Primarily the upper, the lower, and the proper function. So the upper function change text to uppercase. Out of text to uppercase. So if you type in equal upper A1 to convert the text in A1 to change me to capital, right? So if you type it here, that's gonna change everything in here to capital letters, right? And like the upper letter, the lower letter is the same. It's just change everything into a lower case, right? So if you have all uppercase here and you type in lower A1, you're gonna change that there. Now the magic is coming from the proper function. Change the text to proper case. Proper case is where the first letter in each word is capitalized and the other letters are lowercase. This is typically used for proper nouns like names. So if you go proper and first name and last name, you convert this name into Christopher Walker. You know, capital C and then capital W. So if you have a whole bunch of like data that have like random cases for names, this is a good way to use it to change it to the correct uh, cases. Like so, convert the text in A1 to upper. So easy. Equal upper and A1, and that's all you need to do. Right? Convert the text in A1 to lower. Equal lower. Right? A1. That's it. And then convert the text in A1 to some text, which is proper case, right? So it's gonna be equal proper and then A1, right? It's gonna be proper case. Okay, and then write a formula that would return more text, right? More text. So it's gonna be equal what upper, right? Because everything upper, and then it's gonna be A2 because that's more text, right? Thank you so much for watching my channel, and please hit the like button and subscribe so that I can bring more content like this to view like you. Thank you and see you next time.